Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to LCE Engineering. Today we're going to go over our dual row timing chain conversion kit. So if you've ever experienced the disappointment of the broken timing chain guides, the stock plastic ones that Toyota put in from the factory, or it's time to do an upgrade on your engine, it's getting tired, you got some miles on it, we're going to do a freshen up. This definitely needs to be in consideration for your build. This kit's designed to fit any of the late model trucks, anywhere from 85 to 95, carbureted, fuel injected, and even the turbo models. So we've gone ahead and put together a complete timing chain conversion kit for you. This gives you everything that you need to make this upgrade for your truck. Starting with the timing chain kit itself, metal back guides, new dual row chain, gears, front crank seal, and the oil pump drive spline. New timing chain cover, all the hardware kit you need to install it, new water pump, and new oil pump. And if you've done extra machine work on that cylinder head, we do offer our adjustable cam gears. That way you can keep your timing exactly where it needs to be, get the best performance out of your rig. Alright, thanks for checking out our video. This kit is available at lceperformance.com. Make sure and check us out on the web. Like, share, subscribe, give us a call.